One turned all these perfect circular donuts into our clothes match. Those 2/4 make 1/2 donut. You fixed the donuts! Hooray! Now decorate them any way you want. When you're all done, press this button. That is a donut masterpiece! That is a donut masterpiece! Oh, that looks so good! Yum, 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 yum. Woo! You defeated the arch-villain! I'll just take one of these for the road. Yummy!
Choose a place on the map. Oh no! There's a big problem with those buildings. Triangulo is heading towards the... Triangulo has totally triangulated this building. Put the pieces back together to fix it. You're an awesome building builder. That triangle totally fits. You've got super building skill. You fixed it. Now let's put the decorations on the building. When you're all done, press this button. Choose a place on the map. Something's very wrong in the park. Keep away from that sculpture, Flat Woman.
This sculpture would look much better flat.
Flat Woman has flattened all the shapes in this sculpture. Let's change all these flat shapes back into solid shapes. Tap the shape to make them bigger again. That flat circle turned back into a sphere. That flat square turned back into a cube. Stack the shapes on the platform anywhere you like. That flat triangle turned... Now the shape is totally solid. The shapes are all solid again. Total masterpiece. When you're all done, press this button. You're a solid shape stacking superstar.
Go mommy's room.
Okay.
Let's go outside.
No. I don't want to go outside.
Awesome job! You defeated Flat Woman.
You've stopped us this time, Super Peg and Cat Guy.
We did it!
Pick any place on the map to play again.